To all my good friends at Radio Mindanao Network, as you celebrate RMN's 73rd anniversary, allow me to thank you for your service to the Filipino people. Through these 73 years, you have informed us of relevant news, told us stories, and reminded us of our shared journey as a nation. In all these years, RMN has become part of the daily life of millions, and that is a legacy worth honoring. I also wish to greet Mr. Eric Canoy a very happy 75th birthday. Eric, your leadership and dedication have kept RMN strong and relevant through the years. Your example continues to inspire many in the field of broadcasting. On behalf of a grateful nation, I congratulate and salute you for your service at RMN. May your voice continue to be a source of truth, guidance, and hope as we build a bagong Pilipinas together. Mabuhay ka, Eric Canoy. Mabuhay ang Radyo Mindanao Network.